Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an incredibly disorganized house. You guys, I have been feeling so unorganized lately. I feel like I'm such a messy mom. We've had a lot of stuff happen in our personal life with the passing of a family member. We've had to have some really big adjustments lately, and I just feel like I'm all over the place. You know, I see all of these beautiful videos all over YouTube, and some of these houses are so beautifully organized. The moms really have it together. But I'm here today because I am not that mom. My house is a real life hot mess. And you guys are going to watch me, speed through, get some of that cleaning done, and hopefully give you guys some motivation to do it yourself. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of two. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean three videos for cleaning motivation. And if you guys are like me, small kids, a house that's pretty messy a good chunk of the time. My house can go from 0 to 60, meaning from super clean to super messy and disorganized so fast. Then if we are in the same boat, I am here for you guys. I am here to offer any cleaning motivation that I can. And if this is the type of content that you guys love to watch, then do me a favor, I would love for you to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. A little earlier, I had mentioned we had a death in the family, and my father-in-law ended up passing away. He was in the hospital for about a month. He got very sick, was unconscious for a while, and unfortunately, he did not make it through. So we have had to spend the last few weeks having real-life adjustments, helping my mother-in-law. Obviously, my husband was going through a lot. His entire family was going through a lot. We were all going through a lot. My kids. So I am super behind on everything. I still have my Valentine's Day stuff out. Actually, not all of it, but I still have the Valentine's Day towels out. So I'm kind of going through today and picking up some of the stuff. These next few weeks, I will be spending so much time trying to just literally get back on track. I am like a good 2 months behind on so many things, so definitely playing catch up right now, which is exhausting because there is so much to do, not enough time, and obviously, as a mom, you still need to be there for your kids. You still need sleep, and you still need time for yourself, which is really hard. Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. So one of the biggest problems in our house is that we tend to have a bunch of stuff just everywhere. And I really do try to get my kids to organize and clean after themselves. There are days where they're just too tired and they have too much homework that they don't really want to do it, and then I'm responsible doing it, like today. They're at school this morning. I have tons of picking up to do, which is so overwhelming sometimes, because if there was just less toys around and they were just put away, it would be so much better. But real life at our house is messy, disorganized sometimes, and I really need to do a good decluttering soon. Our downstairs bathroom is basically where the kids get ready for school every day, and seriously, there is so much globs of toothpaste all over that sink that I'm constantly cleaning it. This sink in general just it's so messy. And just this downstairs shower, they tend to shower most nights down here, and then they have a ton of toys in that shower and everything. I'm not going to show that today because I was not cleaning the shower, but I did need to clean up this sink, and I did need to clean the toilet. So my kids have a really late spring break. It's not until the middle of April, but I hear a lot of kids and a lot of my friends' kids have their spring breaks going on this week and next week. And I want to hear from you guys. If you guys have kids, do your kids already have spring break? Is it late for them as well? And what are some of the things that you guys are going to be doing? I know there's like a lot of spring break camps for the week and things like that. I think we're just going to kind of hang out at home and get to like visit a lot of the, trampoline parks. I'm going to dedicate that week to them because I do want to spend the time with them. But I would love to hear from you guys.
I've got sunshine, I've got you now. When body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body. I know love.
So my master, obviously you guys can see it's terrible. I still have like a whole box of things that have to go and be taken into storage. There's some more Valentine's Day stuff, but basically I still have like a whole box of Christmas stuff that are just kind of sitting around and that I didn't get to. I was definitely sick with COVID in the beginning of December. Then my other relatives ended up getting sick as well. I mean, it's been a long 3 months, and it is finally time to like get the ball rolling and clean this out. You guys, it looked so bad. So I'm going through some stuff, gonna take whatever needs to go into storage out, get it loaded into the car, and it has got to go. Next, after I loaded the car, I mean, there's one thing that I cannot get away from, and I haven't decided exactly what is the one thing that I absolutely hate doing, because laundry is pretty much almost at the top of the list of the things that I hate doing. But there are a few things that I absolutely hate doing and cleaning. But laundry, I mean, there's 4 of us, and it can get so backed up so very quickly if I'm not on top of my laundry. And it happens because I can be on top of the laundry for a few days and have everything put away and have everything organized, and then we can just have like a busy, I don't know, 3, 4, 5, 6 days where it just piles up, and then this entire room literally turns into a disaster. And that is what has happened right now. There is piles and piles of laundry that needs to be folded. I'm doing tons more laundry. I mean, it's so disastrous in here.
Stay in this melody, stay in this melody, oh, I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that it's just stupid? Hey, just hear me out. It's been a
So I did get these candles at Aldi, and they were on clearance for $1. They are Valentine's Day candles, and they smell like chocolate with vanilla and some other flavors, and they smell really good, but they were $1, so I definitely took 3, and I'm gonna go ahead and store them in my little candle spot, which is just in the laundry room. This cabinet down here is where I tend to store all of my candles, and I still have like Christmas candles in there and things that are still good. I have a ton of spring candles in there, so I'm throwing those Valentine's Day candles in there. And you know, you guys can see I've got bed sheets on the bottom too as well. And then I have my wall plugins in that bag right there.
Say hi.
Hi. But now it feels like I've been trapped, and I can't believe how you don't see it now. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good, so why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could?
I've been considering doing a lot more just like random recordings of our day in the life, you know, just what I'm doing with my kids. And if that's something that you guys want to see, if you guys are curious about it, want to see, you know, let me know in the comments. I cannot always get to these cleaning videos, and I know I really genuinely try, but it's not always feasible because I have other things going on as well. So I think it would be a little bit easier if I just recorded a few other videos as well. If there's any recommendations or suggestions, you guys let me know. I'd be more than happy to listen to what you guys have to say. If you guys enjoyed this cleaning video and you guys got some cleaning motivation, you guys got to see my disastrous, disorganized, super messy house and felt like it gave you that motivation to go tackle on your house, you know, once again, let me know in the comments below, and I would love for you to like this video and subscribe to my channel.